Hey now, Stan here from Music is What Moves Us, and today we're going to do a song by the Rasta man himself, Bob Marley. The song we're going to do is Three Little Birds. It's only got three chords in it, A, a D, and an E. And the strum pattern, I've just kind of tried to feel the groove. Alright, so here we go. About a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds outside my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds outside my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry. There you go. My little version of Three Little Birds. I hope you like it. This has been Stan from Music is What Moves Us. Take it easy.